Hey everybody, it's Oz with CERT and BayCERT, and we're going to talk to you today about making your own emergency kit to have in your house. Something to help out in case something kicks off and you just can't wait for the first responders to get there to be able to take care of your stuff. Stuff you can find at any regular retail shop. You can find it online. It's very easy to come across. If you want to get more tips on this or some more classes or go through CERT, be sure to check out BayCERT.org on our website over there, or follow us on any of the socials, and let's just get right into making the bag. So first you're going to need some kind of bag, something to keep all your stuff together. Duffel bags work fine, shoulder bags work better because they have the straps, they're easy to carry, there are many compartments in here where you can separate your stuff. These work out really well. Always get a good one so the straps don't tear on the side of the road. Alright, so you get to your medical stuff that's going to go in your bag. You want your basic PPE, which is gloves, nitrile or latex if you're not allergic to them. Nitrile always works better just in case. You want masks. N95s are better, works, but any kind of thing that'll slow that down, okay? You want to be able to keep your hands clean, so hand sanitizer, soap and stuff if you can carry it, or just antiseptic wipes always work really well. You're going to want bandages of all kinds, all shapes that you can get in here, butterfly to wide to skinny for any kind of adhesive strips that you can get in there. Anything that's bigger than that, you're going to want gauze, either rolled or flat, tape to hold those down, and these ABD pads work really well. Also safety pins in here in case you run out of tape, or you have cloth bandages or triangle bandages in there. Those will help. All right, for your survival side of your kit, you're going to want a flashlight. This is first and foremost any kind of light source. So you get your flashlight, you're going to get a battery operated one. Be sure to check your batteries semi-annually. Once a year is okay, but more than once is always better. Gloves are always helpful. Any kind of glove you have there just to keep the world from your hands, do good. Glow sticks, this is something we relatively added that is new. If you use these, you can highlight anything you need to do. You need to be able to find, like a bathroom or anything when the power's out, that's fine. Also, when it comes to fire, if you need fire for cooking or for illumination, get you a fire starter set like this. Matches and lighters work well until they get wet, and then they're not worth anything. Paper, pens, markers, anything that you can write on, these can always come in handy anytime you need to make a note, leave a note for somebody else, whatever. These are great. When it gets to storage, any kind of resealable plastic bag works really well. That way you can keep water off of anything, keep anything safe, keep it in your pocket. Paracord, any kind of rope, tape, anything that can secure anything else, this comes in handy more than you think. Now, we got our multi-tools. Pocket knives work great in a pinch. These also have a knife on them. And then any of the car tools that breaking glass, breaks glass at home, it breaks glass in the car. It works really well. These utility shears, that's almost work on our medical side, they're just work a treat across the board, so we like to keep those for both sets. So your emergency blanket, these Mylar space blankets, they come in handy more than you think. Keep a set around. You'll thank me later. And there you go. That's in a basic emergency bag. Like, again, it's going to be different for every person. What you think is perfect for you and your family is going to be different. This one will be different for me and my family, okay? If you come up with any other ideas, let us know. Put it down in the comments. Let us know. We'll revisit this kind of stuff, or we'll bring up some other bags later when we're talking about hurricane or evacuation bags or go bags. Y'all be safe. I'll see y'all around. BayCERT.org. Y'all be safe.